Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a mobile data limit on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. First, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, SIMs and Mobile Network, SIM for mobile data, and first make sure mobile data is enabled for now, and then go to Data Warning and Limit. You can enable data warning, but I'm gonna disable it, and you can also enable data limit. I'm gonna enable data limit and set it to, you can choose the unit. I'm gonna set it to 15 gigabytes. Set, and now it's set to data limit. You can also change the usage reset cycle to the day of the month when the cycle should reset. I'm gonna set it to the 5th day of the month. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.